everyone. My name is Kelly Kennedy. I am a group practice owner and consultant out of South Carolina. I have a practice of about 24 clinicians, and a common theme that we talk about on our leadership team is recruiting clinicians, um, and including recruiting clinicians that doesn't use Indeed or LinkedIn. Obviously, those are great avenues to recruit clinicians, but it's really nice to have some other ways to either short-term or long-term think about maintaining different types of clinicians with different expertise areas. So one of those ways is to network with local colleges. This is really um, a long-term way to think about developing relationships that may eventually nurture into employees or contractors. A few things I might suggest. One is to network with the professors or instructors at that local master's program. This could also be even since COVID, we've seen a lot of people start to become a lot more comfortable with virtual interviews. So this doesn't even have to be something in your own town. This could even be a suburb or somewhere close by that you might have some expertise to offer. For example, I am a play therapist, and so I'm often asked to speak about working with children. So sometimes offering those different topics, coming into the class and answering questions is a way to start to form some relationships with students who are going to become professionals in your field and potentially in your area. A second way is to think about hosting continuing education events. If you become a continuing education provider in your state, that is a way to potentially host some of those events, either virtually or even better in person, where they're actually seeing your facility and seeing your office. If you are worried about space, these could be small events, lunch and learns. They could even be free to draw in potentially some people that may be attracted or maybe not knowing your facility might want to come through and see it and engage in that opportunity. So it's a great way to network and spread the word about who you are and what you're about. Third, and this is one of my favorites, I actually have had specifically some applications from clients or from clinicians, is to think about hosting either a clinician book club or a clinician networking happy hour for your area. Of course, you would not specifically be trying to recruit employees during this time. But again, I think this is a great way to be able to network with your community of clinicians, to be able to get your name out there, for them to understand your brand and who you are, and to hopefully engage and form some collaborative relationships that you can draw on when you are trying to grow your practice. So those are a few different ways that are Indeed that you might grow your practice. Good luck.